Are you stressing out because a guy didn't call you or text you back? If so, let's nip in the bud all the craziness that has probably started going through your mind. Number 1, stop making up stories that explain why he hasn't gotten back to you. The bottom line is you don't know, and it may have nothing to do with you. Number 2, stay calm. Take a moment to take a few deep breaths, and with every exhale, release any ridiculous negative thoughts that might be running through your mind. Nothing has changed. You're good. Next, stay confident. Your confidence is in no way contingent on somebody else being into you. You have a lot to offer. The right guy is going to know that. Number 3, there is no shortage of people on this earth, so stop acting as though this guy is the last man on earth. If anything, our earth is overpopulated. That means that there are plenty of possibilities for love out there. Number 4, the right guy is going to be a guy that is really into you. You're not going to have to wonder, does he like me? When a man wants a woman, he will move mountains for her. Number 5, this is one of those times in life where it benefits you to think, what is meant to be will be no matter what. And if it's not, that's okay. Somebody that's a much better fit will come along. Either way, you're okay.